Dr. Lindsey here. I filmed this young man's video a number of months ago and had it ready to put up, and then I put up one every other week, and so it's been probably 5 or 6 months since I filmed this video. I've lost the original footage, and so I'm going to try to splice this in. In any case, this was a father and son combo. Watch the video, and at the end he sent me in a couple more recent pictures, which I'll put up. Thanks. Hey, Dr. Lindsey. In this little video, I'll take you through, I believe the young man's 25. He came with his dad from California, and his dad had had two, what I would call, unsuccessful hair transplants 10 or 15 years ago. And so, of course, now he's a skeptic. And the younger guy is losing his hair, and we had talked on the phone and video chatted, I don't know, five or eight times before they decided to come. And so the young man came to get $2,500 up front, knowing that he's going to need a second case later. And while he was here, the dad, I guess, decided that I looked honest enough compared to where he'd been before that he'd give it a shot too. And so this is the second or third father-son combo we've done back to back. And so we did this young man's case. Here he is at the end of the case. And then here he is at a week. They stayed for a week to get cleaned. Here he is at 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 10 months. Now he's over in Italy in school, and so I think we video chatted once, and then I went to Italy and we were going to meet up, and then he had to go to a conference, so I didn't get to see him in person. So I haven't seen him actually since the day of the surgery. And then here he is at 12 and a half months. His dad sent pictures at 6 months and looked better than the average guy at 6 months, but he's been incommunicado since, other than I hear from his son that his hair grew. So it'd be nice to get both of them back here, and I think we might get both of them back later this year for a second case on the younger patient. We'll see what happens, but I imagine his dad will come with him. But here he is at 12 months, and he wanted to make sure I cut his face off, so these are pictures that just show his head. But you can see that he's got an unremarkable appearance with regard to his hairline now, and he styles it and says that to help him with his confidence getting a job in his career. The thing is, I do like parents to be involved. Even though you're an adult, you tend to make less foolish decisions if you have a parent there as kind of a nonsense detector at the consultation. We do a more mature hairline because one day you're going to be more mature like me, and you have to plan for a second case, maybe even a third case down the road. We've done plenty of these. There's now more than 550 YouTube videos, and I would guess that there's 70 or so that are younger patients. If you're a younger patient, watch one or two of those, bring a parent, and we'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you.